Like now I can start?
Yep, turn it on.
I did. It's going.
It's going to be a potato shoot in Kildeer, Illinois. Okay. Now, I need to use a ramrod here.
Yeah, find that under the web. Yeah, use thunder over here.
Enough. Now, play that 3 seconds. Okay.
Don't look at me.
We'll step out here. Why don't you step out here, photographer, and be prepared to follow the, just like they follow.
Light as a potato. How good are you? Don't trip on the stick.
All right, you ready?
Whoa!
I don't know.
That's it. So this is going to be a quick look at my potato gun. I'm the photographer and the narrator, so it'll be a little awkward. This is the propellant fuel. It's a hairspray. 3 seconds of that spray in the end of the cannon down here, which is made of PVC plumbing pipe. The end, which is a cap for a plumbing pipe, unscrews. You spray 3 seconds of propellant in there, close it up, and then this is a spark igniter for a Coleman lantern, propane lantern, and you aim it where you want. Twist that a couple times to make sure to get a spark, and what is guaranteed is that the potato that you have pushed down into this tube will go far. There are many more better examples of potato cannons, and in fact of pumpkin cannon on YouTube and elsewhere on the web. I urge you to look at them and consider making your own. This one is somewhat over-engineered. You don't need that much plastic PVC at the end. You can just as well take a 2-inch U union and bring a cap for the 2-inch pipe back here. But what you don't want to do is to try to fire a potato without using PVC cement, which the purple lines indicate, of course, because it will be guaranteed to blow apart and possibly hurt you. That's it for the Kildeer, Illinois potato cannon.